Good morning, ninth class. Our today's topic is mechanism of respiration. Actually, respiration consists of series of biochemical reactions. Okay, and as you know, respiration is divided into two types: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Okay, aerobic respiration is a continuous process, but for our convenience, we divide it into three main stages, which is glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and electron transport chain. Okay, these are three main stages of aerobic respiration, and in this oxygen is used, and glucose is completely oxidized and it is converted into ATP, and with this it means high amount of energy is released. Okay, now this phase stages, in these stages glycolysis it occur in both type of respiration. ठीक है, glycolysis का जो step है वो दोनों type में होगा, aerobic में भी और anaerobic में. Why so? Because in this step oxygen is not needed. ठीक है, इसमें ऑक्सीजन जो है पहले स्टेप में रिक्वायर्ड नहीं होती. दैट्स वाई ग्लाइकोलिसिस अकर इन बोथ टाइप ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन, एंड देन these two steps, Krebs cycle and electron transport chain, this occur in only in aerobic respiration. ठीक है, Krebs cycle और electron transport chain आपके सिर्फ aerobic respiration में होगा. Okay, और another important thing is that glycolysis occur in cytoplasm. ठीक है, glycolysis का स्टेप है वो cytoplasm में होता है, और Krebs cycle और electron transport chain it occur in mitochondria. Okay, now what are these stages? First of all, glycolysis, as we discussed, it occur in cytoplasm, and in this stage oxygen is not needed. Okay, that's why it occur in both type of respiration, in aerobic and anaerobic respiration. And now in this step, first of all, glucose molecule is converted into pyruvic acid. Okay, so in the first step of respiration, in a glycolysis, glucose is changed into 2-pyruvic acid, and in this step ADP and NAD is utilized. These are basically coenzyme, ADP and NAD. These are used in this reaction, and then ADP is converted into ATP and NAD is reduced into NADH. Okay, so this is the first phase of aerobic respiration. This is glycolysis, in which oxygen is not used and in which glucose is converted into 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. Okay, pyruvic acid basically it is a 3-carbon compound. Okay, it has 3 carbon in it. Okay, next stage is the Krebs cycle. Now what is Krebs cycle? In this phase, pyruvic acid is completely oxidized and result in the form and ATP, NADH and FADH2 is formed in this reactions. Okay, actually what happened before entering into Krebs cycle, this pyruvic acid is changed into a acetyl CoA. ठीक है, pyruvic acid पहले change हो जाता है acetyl CoA में, then it enter into the mitochondria, and then this acetyl CoA, by utilizing ADP, FAD, NAD, these acetyl CoA, then it completely oxidized, and then carbon dioxide is produced, and with this ATP, NADH and FADH2 is also formed. So these are the Krebs cycle, in which acetyl CoA which is formed from the pyruvic acid is completely oxidized. Okay, and in this step ADP, FAD and NAD is used. Okay, these are basically coenzyme. FAD is another coenzyme. It is flavin adenine dinucleotide. ठीक है, ये भी एक coenzyme है. Its reduced form is FADH2. When it gets to hydrogen, it reduces and it is changed into FADH2. ठीक है. So in Krebs cycle, these are utilized, and then carbon dioxide, ATP, NADH, and FADH2 is formed. So this is the Krebs cycle. Okay, next step is the electron transport chain. Okay, it is the final step of cellular respiration. Actually, in this there is a transfer of electron take place from these coenzyme. These transfer electron to, and then they form ATP, NAD, FAD. Okay, actually these electrons are transferred to a series of electron carrier proteins होती हैं जिन्हें हम कहते हैं electron transport chain, and these electron are transferred from these coenzyme. For example, NADH and FADH2, they release electron and hydrogen ion, and these electron then taken up by series of electron carriers in electron transport chain, and then they lose energy and then they form ATP. So in the electron transport chain, ATP is formed by releasing electron from NADH and FADH2. Okay, at the end of this chain, hydrogen ion combine with the molecule of oxygen, okay, and then form water. So water is formed, and in this step oxygen is utilized. Okay, so in the final step ATP is formed. Okay, so these are the different steps or stages of aerobic respiration. Okay, these are the stages occur in aerobic respiration. As we have discussed, glycolysis is the step which only take place in anaerobic respiration. Okay, learn this step and also learn these equations भी अपने अच्छे से इसको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. इसके साथ ही आपने हर स्टेप के साथ आपने उसकी इक्वेशन याद करनी है. फॉर एग्जांपल ग्लाइकोलिसिस क्या है, आप क्वेश्चन आएगा तो आपने इसके साथ ये इक्वेशन लिखनी है. क्रेब्स साइकिल का आएगा तो आपने ये लिखना है, और इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट चेन के साथ ये वाली इक्वेशन याद करनी है. सो लर्न दीज इक्वेशंस and these steps. These are also important question. Okay, Allah Hafiz.